How can I fix a flickering LED ceiling light?
Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on fixing a flickering LED ceiling light. Flickering lights can be a nuisance, not to mention a potential symptom of a more significant problem. Luckily, this issue is often something you can troubleshoot and resolve yourself. Let's jump right into it.
Why does an LED light flicker?
Understanding the root of the problem is the first step towards a solution. LED lights can flicker due to a variety of reasons. The most common are 1. Loose or bad wiring. 2. Incompatibility with dimmer switches. 3. Voltage fluctuations. Will tackle each of these issues one by one.
Checking the wiring.
If your LED light is flickering, it's possible that there's a loose connection. To check this, 1. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker. This is a critical safety measure. 2. Remove the light fixture. You might need a screwdriver for this. 3. Check for loose wires. If you find any, tighten them. 4. If any wires look damaged, you might need to replace them. Please note, if you're not comfortable dealing with wiring, always hire a professional electrician.
Dimmer switch compatibility.
If your LED ceiling light is connected to a dimmer switch and it's flickering, the two may not be compatible. Some LED lights are not designed to work with older dimmer switches. In this case, 1. Refer to your LED light's packaging or product information. This should tell you if it's dimmer compatible. 2. If it's not, you'll need to replace the dimmer switch with an LED compatible model. Again, if you're not comfortable doing this, hire a professional.
Voltage fluctuations.
Occasional flickering could also be a sign of voltage fluctuation. If your home's voltage isn't stable, it could cause your LED lights to flicker. To resolve this, 1. You can use a voltage tester to check for fluctuations. 2. If voltage fluctuation is the issue, consider calling a professional. They can install a voltage regulator to stabilize the electricity supply. Hopefully, these steps will help you fix a flickering LED ceiling light. Remember, always prioritize safety when dealing with electrical fixtures. Don't hesitate to call a professional if you're unsure about any of the steps. Here's to enjoying steady, flicker-free lighting.